What's up, everybody? Whew, it's day 5 of the rental property repairs. It is hot again. Day. Today we got everything checked off the list that we needed to get done. We got the wood floors repaired. We got the threshold repaired. We got the 1x6 portion of the fascia torn out and replaced. Tomorrow we'll get the 1x2 pieces put in, and we'll also get the storage building demoed. We got the fence post pulled up today. Y'all come on inside. Let's check out what we got done. that's a wrap for day 5 of the rental property repairs. Good productive day. Ready for day 6, our final day. And as always, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching our channel. And as always, hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for your support.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Have a good day.
We'll see you on the next one.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Have my tire. Get him.